G'day guys, hope you're having a great day. Well, it's time. It's time to get rid of this wrap. Put the matte black on the front, down there, on the tank, and also here, and you can see I've started to peel it back to its gloss black, but I'm going for a completely new colour change for the whole bike. So I've got the wrap over here, there's a couple in there, and the main colour there. I'd love to show you, but you're just gonna have to wait, sorry. Yeah, so getting rid of the black. It's gonna be a completely different colour, and there's a hint right there. Now it's time to strip it all off. I haven't heated it up or anything, but it's coming off pretty easy. Well, maybe not so easy. Ah! Finally got the other bloody bolt out. Bloody Honda had put it on that friggin' tight. Put on that tight, I had to strip trying to get the bloody thing off. Well, now I can get the tank off, thank God. Alright, undone all the bolts. Time for you to come off. There we go. There goes a raw tank. And here's the oh, I might take those side bits off, we'll see. We'll see. But I'll be doing it. Where can I put it? We're doing it in 3 stages. This here, all this section will be one colour. That will be a different colour. And down here will be a different colour to match in with the race bike. Oops, said too much. There you go, there's the tank and the rear cowling back to gloss black. So now it's time to get this side bit off. She looks good in the old gloss black. Must admit. Too late. I've already bought the new wrap. Alright. Adios! Thanks for Honda putting these panels back on right. Pricks. Okay, got the mirrors off. The only bit of wrap I've got left, that's all gone from down there. I've just got to get this front bit off and then ready to redo it. I've got to get this windscreen out. I've taken the little bolts out. I'll probably need 2 hands for this, but I will need 2 hands. Yeah, one windscreen. So, get this wrap off and she's ready. Looking like it's being prepped for race day, doesn't it? Almost ready to go. There we go, there's all the wrap off. Only come off in 1,000 pieces. I never heated it up, so it come off pretty easy. Now, I'm not going to take every individual panel off, I'm going to do one at a time. So, starting with the front and down the mudguard, and then work my way back. I'll do the tank and rear cowling last. Or just flow through from the start to the finish. See how it goes.